Alright guys, this is Kyle with BMW of Bend. Today we're going to go over the seat adjustments. Demo car is a 2019 BMW X5, so let's hop in, take a look at the controls. Alright, so this car has the multi-contour seats. This is a 20-way adjustable seat. Now this is available in several different cars in the lineup, so if you do have the multi-contours, this will all be applicable to you. Now if you don't, a lot of these adjustments will still be available, just maybe not all of them will be. So this first control over here, this will actually control the bolsters on the side of the seats. So if you want to open up that adjustment or you want to tighten it and have it squeeze you a little bit tighter in the seat, you can do that. So you see it rocks forward and back. Those are the two adjustments you can do on that control. Below, we have the lumbar support. Now this arrow over here that's on the 3 o'clock position, if you press this, this will deflate the bladders in the back, lower back for the lumbar. So if you want to reset it and start from scratch, just press this one in. These other three will inflate different sections on the lower back. So as you press it, you'll start to feel it inflate a little bit there. So you can really fine tune the lumbar section. This control here, it's got a couple of adjustments on it. So forward and back is pretty straightforward. And then up and down. Again, pretty straightforward, so you can get your seat adjusted that way. Also on this is a button here too. So this little rocker control here will actually extend out the thigh section on the seat. So if you have a little bit longer legs, this will provide additional support for that upper part of your leg. Now some vehicles, this control is actually a separate dedicated control. So do keep that in mind if you see an additional rocker switch on the seats. That could be what it is. This control here, again, pretty straightforward and traditional. As you move it forward or back, you can bring the seat upright or recline it. Also note that this one does go up and down in the X5. So this actually controls the headrests. So if you need to elevate that headrest, you can. And then also, again, there's a little rocker switch on the face of this control. This will actually adjust the upper back section forward and back. So you can really fine tune the seat to get in that comfortable position. All right, so that's an overview of the seat adjustments. If you guys have further questions, let us know at BMW Bend. Give us a call or feel free to stop by.
Kendall, let's start something great.